Game of Loans is a web app written in C# using the Unity game engine, which uses WebGL as a platform. A SQL database stores players' scores. Right now, we're looking at the main menu. Now let's get started. We start off in the Opportunity Knocks screen. Every player starts off by choosing 10 Opportunity Knocks cards to build their base stats. They consist of net income, assets, and credit. The player will want to increase these stats as much as they can because the higher their stats are, the faster they can close out loans and increase their score. Next, the player will navigate to the Property Hunt page. This is where the real strategy comes into play. Each property has a value, and when the loan is complete, that value will be added to the player's score. But to make the game more challenging, properties with a high value take longer to close. And remember, the player can always go back into Opportunity Knocks to increase their stats to progress the loan faster. Quite the conundrum indeed. Since this is our first time playing, let's choose an easy property. Progressing through loans is as easy as rolling a die. Just click the roll the dice button to increase your progress. The progress shown below represents how far you are in the loan process. Now remember, this game is used to educate the Quicken Loans team members. So at the very bottom of the screen, each step of the loan process will be displayed. The step shown is based on how far the loan has progressed. The player only gets to reap their rewards if they have correctly learned about the loan process. Quiz questions will be asked until the player gets it right. At this point, the value of the property card will be added to the player's score. We have now completed our first loan. We can choose to go back into Opportunity Knocks or choose another property. Let's go back into Opportunity Knocks to increase our stats some more. That will make it easier for us to tackle a harder loan. As you may have noticed earlier, the roll multiplier in the top right corner increases based on the cards you draw. These cards are completely random and gives every player an equal opportunity at improving their multiplier. Now that we've drawn a few more cards, let's try to tackle a harder property. In general, the progress bar doesn't increase as quickly as it did on the easy properties. That just means the player will have to use more turns to complete their loan. Since it's going a little slow, let's go back and choose a second property to progress. A cool feature of this game is that you are able to hold multiple loans at the same time. Let's look at our property pack to see all of the loans that we have. The player just needs to click on the loan that they want to progress to pick up where they left off. Now that the game has been explained, let's jump to the last turn. Take a quick look at the score in the bottom right corner. This number will increase based on your final statistics. We finished the game. The player can enter their name and Quicken Loans team name to enter their score into the leaderboard. Only the most knowledgeable of the loan process will hold the high score.